everyone? I am still here. I know it's been a while and I apologize. I know I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys and stuff, where I've been and about videos and all that stuff. So I just wanted to start this by giving you an update. You all know I went to the union now, so it's been over a year and it's been great. But I can't really film like I could in the field, and that's fine. I still want to try to get more consistent again with maybe doing some drive time talk videos like this, and explaining stuff from home or whatever. But stuff in the field is going to be probably very limited now, and if at all. So it's just the way it is. But I'm very active on Instagram. I make a lot of reels and stuff with some pictures and, about what I'm doing and things like that. So check me out on there if you're not. It's just the same thing. It's at CSC Refrigeration and HVAC. And I'm posting on there a lot, pictures and stuff and the reels. So like I was saying, I hope everyone's doing well and summer's winding down. So that's a good thing. It's been busy. For those of you that may not know, I was at like an HVAC company with very minimal refrigeration. There was barely any. It was all commercial, big HVAC stuff. A lot of municipal buildings, schools, and things. And it was all right. I learned some stuff. It was great, but this gets me into the topic of my video, like, what is your niche in this trade? What's your specialty? What do you want to really do and specialize in this trade? And I mean, I already knew mine was refrigeration, but going back to like all HVAC stuff, it just reinforced it in me even more that I'm a refrigeration guy to the bone, and that's the way it is. Us guys, we say like we're a different breed that do refrigeration, and it's true, because I don't know what it is. All the guys that basically I work with now, none of us like HVAC. We just don't. We'd rather do refrigeration, and I'm back doing supermarket stuff now. So we are very, very busy. Just supermarket stuff, 24/7, rack systems, everything. Out on call. I knew what I was getting back into, but I had to do it. It's what I do. I can't help it. I got to be doing the refrigeration. The HVAC is just not for me. And those guys or girls that are in the trade that you excel and you are awesome at HVAC, then that is great. I'm learning more and more as I get older that everything in this business is like a specialty, because it's such a vast
in 2 miles,
trade.
Take exit 46 for Massachusetts 126 north toward Midway.
Like there's people that are going to specialize in chillers, people that are going to specialize in boilers, others just commercial HVAC, others in just heating, oil, others residential. For guys like me, it's refrigeration. It just is what it is. And I think that's almost better, because especially I'm finding now even more too that things like being a refrigeration guy or a chiller guy are really, really like a specialized thing now, or controls. It's like there's not many people that do it. There's really not, and it's getting less and less. It seems there's a ton of HVAC stuff and people that want to do that, but if you want to really specialize and get into stuff, you got to go for like the chillers or big boilers or refrigeration, especially supermarket refrigeration, because no one wants to do it. It's hard and it's tiring. Like, I work with guys that work these crazy hours. These dudes are animals. the younger too. I did it when I was younger
Half a
too.
mile. Take exit
You know?
46 for
And
Massachusetts
I know what it's
126
like.
north toward
But
Medway.
these dudes, they work, man, and it's no joke. It never ends. But they're very good at what they do also, and it's like a brotherhood amongst us, like refrigeration guys. It's awesome. Very, very cool. Hey, so I'm back. I got cut off at that other one. I was getting to the job I was at, heading for, so. But, you know, just to reiterate, it's really cool, like the brotherhood that seems to be amongst us refrigeration guys. I'm finding it's a cool thing. But, you know, you guys and girls are going to find that you're probably going to, you know, gravitate toward a certain area of this trade that you either like it better, or you know, you feel you do it better, or it comes easier to you than other parts of it. You know, I mean, and then there's other people that just want to be, you know, pipe fitters and installers. You know, they don't want to do service. They like doing the installation work, which, you know, that's great too. I mean, those guys and girls, they work their asses off too. Construction and all that is no joke. You know, you're working. They are working. But, you know, doing that stuff, a lot of those guys and girls, they also think, you know, us people that do service are out of our minds because we're on call. We don't exactly have set hours. You know, things like that. You know, I know installers that they want to do their 8 hours and they go home. They think I'm absolutely nuts that I would even think about being on call or going out on the weekend or at night or whatever. But that's where the overtime is, and that's where the money is if you want to make more of it. You know, so that's the other difference too. You've got installation or construction, and you've got service. Service, you're going to be on call. It's just the way it is. You're going to be on call. But some on call is a lot worse than others. Like, you may just work for an HVAC company and it's not wicked busy and you're going to be on call. You may not get a call at all. Like that first company I was at here in the Union, I think I was on call 3-4 times. Like within the 11 months I was there, I didn't get one call. Okay? Doing refrigeration, you're going to go out. My first weekend on call here, back doing supermarket refrigeration. We're on Friday night till Monday morning. I got 32 hours that weekend of overtime. That's the difference. And that's what people don't want to do. You know, because refrigeration is more. I don't care what anyone says, it's the busiest part of this trade. The busiest part. And that's why a lot of people don't want to do it. So, let me know in the comments, guys, what you'd like to do, or what you are doing, or, you know, whatever. I mean, there's plenty of guys, too, that, you know, I know HVAC guys that have come over to the refrigeration side because they've wanted to learn refrigeration. I also know plenty of refrigeration guys that went over to the HVAC side because they didn't want to do refrigeration anymore. So, let me know, guys. Hope everyone's doing well, and I appreciate all the support again. And I'll catch you boys in the next one.